Hi guys, it is Tina with Styles on Top Beauty. I am here to introduce you to another custom unit by the 60-second Clip and Go Hair Topper collection. So here you're looking at our Shya unit. Shya is a beauty. She is a 7x6 inch faux lock unit. Shya looks, feels, and fits like a glove. The added hair around the perimeter gives the natural appearance. It's a perfect style for shave sides or just for naturals in general. Even if you have some hair that is thinning along the sides, you can blend the sides in with this unit, clip it into place in less than 60 seconds, and take off and have a great day. It's made from durable products that gives you a high quality, long-lasting construction. You don't have to worry about the unit coming apart. You don't have to worry about the locks coming off of the unit. With proper care and maintenance, this unit can last you well over a year. Shya is one of our highest selling units. It's so versatile. It gives you the options to style your hair different, wearing it in different styles, away from your face, the left side, the right side, even try it in a high bun. Shya is so versatile, it's so trendy. You can never go wrong with this unit. This unit is made from high quality products, as I said, and you just cannot go wrong with the Shya Hair Faux Lock unit. It's from our 60-second Clip and Go Naturals collection, which is made specifically with the naturals in mind. You can wear trendy hair. If you need hair replacement options, don't sacrifice the trend. You can still sport those trendy looks and look nice and not have to worry about your hair being compromised in any way. It's totally removable, undetectable, breathable construction. It's just a sure winner. So check out Shya on the website at www.stylesontopbeauty.com.